Have you ever been asked a simple question in English and suddenly your mind goes completely blank? You understand the question, you know the English, but you don't know what to say. I have experienced this many times too. So, in this video, I will share 4 simple things I do when I don't know what to say in English. Hi everyone, welcome back to Saroj English Journey. If you are new here, my name is Saroj. I am also working on my English communication skills, and on this channel I share what I am learning and what is actually helping me. So we are not trying to become perfect English speakers overnight. We are simply trying to become better and more confident every day. Let's begin. This is probably our biggest mistake. We think, what is the correct sentence? What if I make a grammar mistake? And while we are thinking, the conversation is already over. Instead, use simple English. If someone asks, what did you do yesterday? Just say, I stayed at home, I watched a movie and relaxed. That's enough. Remember, simple English that you speak is better than perfect English that stays in your head. Sometimes you genuinely need a few seconds to think. That's completely normal. Use phrases like, let me think. That's a good question. I'm not sure, let me think. For example, what's your biggest goal? You can say, that's a good question, let me think. Now you have time to organize your thoughts. Even fluent speakers pause, so don't be afraid of silence. If you don't know what to say, give yourself a simple structure. Answer plus reason. For example, do you like watching movies? You can say, yes I do, because movies help me relax. That's it. Try another example. Why are you learning English? You can say, I'm learning English because I want to communicate more confidently. Once you start speaking, you may naturally think of more things to say. You don't have to keep talking all the time. If someone says, I went to Mumbai last weekend, you can simply ask, oh nice, how was your trip? Then, what did you like most? Now, the conversation continues. You don't need advanced English. You just need to be interested in the other person. Now try this with me. I will ask you, what do you like to do in your free time? Don't overthink. Say, I like watching movies because they help me relax. Or, I like reading books. I usually read in the evening. Your answer doesn't have to be perfect. Just start speaking. So the next time when your mind goes blank, remember, don't panic. Buy yourself some time. Speak simply. Give a reason and ask questions. You don't need to know everything to speak English. You just need to use what you already know. And remember, we are not trying to speak perfect English. We are trying to speak more confidently, one conversation at a time. If you are also on this English journey, subscribe to Saroj English Journey and let's improve together. I'll see you in the next video. Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep going. Thank you.